Welcome back to The Weekender. It's been a series of fails these days, but it's early in the morning and below freezing, so we're going to convert our van into a cafe by the beach and watch some airplanes. Hopefully, it'll help warm us up. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button and click the bell. It would really help us out.
Slight right onto Ferguson Road, Iona Island Causeway.
We've been stockpiling new gear and making our van look all pretty, and finally we get a chance to show it off today. Thanks to some entertainment courtesy of Vancouver Airport and some refreshments, it's not a bad way to start the day.
You kind of realize that to get out and do things in Vancouver, you can't really do it on the weekends. You kind of have to get out on the weekdays early in the morning to beat the crowds. And even when you wind up getting out in Vancouver, like everything is basically blocked off or cordoned off. You just went over to Iona Beach over there, and there's great spots to park and like, look out, no parking or parallel parking only. You kind of notice that at a lot of the other places that we've gone off and kind of tried to hang out at. We went on some places in Tawasin and went around in circles for hours trying to find a place just to hang out and find a little piece of heaven. So while we do enjoy having our van to go off and find all these great places, sometimes finding them in and around Vancouver can be quite difficult. So here we are, Monday morning, 8:30, and we go for a hike or a walk, maybe have a nice cup of hot coffee. We're also super excited to show you some of the cool things that we've done to kind of optimize our van. We put in some new shelving, removed some of those cloth bags, and really focused on the aesthetic looks of the van. In the beginning, we just really wanted to do it just to throw it together and start on our adventures. And over the last couple of months, we've really been able to, like I said in the previous video, optimize everything and kind of make it work better for us and look better for us. Today, we'll show you a little bit of our new chairs, our new setup process, all that kind of fun stuff.
Once again, another reason why we love our little micro camper van. It takes us to places where we can just enjoy the moment in peace and quiet without the crowds. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch the next adventure, gadget, or fail. Thanks for tuning in.